So the Grand Collection was started by the anatomist Ted Grand. He had a joint appointment at the University of Oregon and at the Oregon National Primate Research Institute in Beaverton, Oregon. It's one of the 8 federally funded primate research facilities in the country. That happened in the 60s and 70s, and he collected about 500 skeletons, I would say, mostly macaques, but also some other monkeys, baboons, and some New Worlds.
Ted Grand, who was the faculty member, was the anatomist, not only had a lot of primates from the Oregon Primate Center for over a long history, but also from zoos and other collections that people sent to him because he was interested in them or they wanted him to look at them. When we look at primates, right, so thinking of humans as primates as well, we often divide them into non-human primates and humans. One of the things that's interesting is it's not that we are upright and therefore use our hands for tools, because primates have hands, but they walk on their hands. They're using them for locomotion. So they're adding something new to what they do, which is manipulation, and manipulation of objects and manipulation of each other, things like grooming. So what's similar about our hands because we do the same thing? What's different about our hands because we're primates? And then what's special about our hands because we're humans? We can do grips with our fingertips versus grips holding on as fists. The way we can manipulate things and how much sensitivity we have on our fingertips, because we don't have claws, right? We have flat fingernails, which gives a lovely flat surface to feel very delicate things. That's something that's very primate-y. Primates don't have claws, they have fingernails like we do, unlike other mammals. So raccoons will have claws, but they may manipulate with their fingers. It's really, really important for a research collection to be open, to be available for scientists, to be available for study.